Very good morning, dear children. I am RAMYA from Bharat Mada. Welcome to Google Classroom. In the previous class, we studied about the photosynthesis and also the different plant parts used for food. In this class session, today we are going to study about the plant pigments. In the previous class, during the process photosynthesis, we told about a pigment. That name is chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants that uses light energy for the photosynthesis. It is a green colored pigment and it is present more in the leaves. The chlorophyll that absorb the sunlight needed for the photosynthesis that we have already studied. Are these pigments present only in leaves? Do you think it is present only in leaves? No. The pigments that give color to leaves, stem, flowers and fruits. You can see a watermelon here. Why the inner part of the watermelon is red and outer part is green? Can you tell the answer? Because it is due to the prominence of different plant pigments. So in this session, in this module, we can study about the different plant pigments. The plants that contains mainly 4 different types of pigments. You have to study here only 4 different types of pigments. They are chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotenoids and anthocyanin. Definitely these terms are new to you. Once again I am telling chlorophyll, xanthophylls, carotenoids and anthocyanin. We studied about the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll that gives green color to the leaves. The next pigment we have to study is the xanthophylls. The xanthophylls that give yellow color to the plants. Do you know about carotenoids? These carotenoids give orange color to the plant parts. Then what about anthocyanin? The anthocyanin that give red color to the plant pigments. Here you can see the banana. Can you identify the prominent pigments in the leaf and fruit of banana? The green color is due to the pigment known as chlorophyll. What about the yellow color? We studied that the yellow color is due to the pigment named xanthophyll. You can see the carrot here. Can you identify the main pigment in carrot? It is carotenoid. These are the leaves of the plant known as crotons. The crotons leaf have different color of pigments we can see. Which will be the main pigment here? Of course there will be chlorophyll, but in addition to chlorophyll you can see all other pigments in that are in different composition. Okay, but chlorophyll is there so that it can do the process known as photosynthesis. You can see the anar fruit here. Can you identify the main pigment? Yes, it is anthocyanin. See the names of pigments in these fruits. The first one is the orange. The orange color is due to the pigment known as carotenoid. The green color, the green apple and the beans having green color, that is due to the pigment known as chlorophyll. You can see the red tomatoes here, that is due to the presence of which pigment? Yes, it is anthocyanin. Hope you understood the topic. We studied about the different plant pigments in this session. The pigments are the substance that give color to various parts of the plant, that are leaves, stem, flower, fruits, etc. The different plant pigments we have to study are chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotenoids and anthocyanin. Chlorophyll gives green color, xanthophylls that give yellowish color, and carotenoids that give orange color, the anthocyanin that give red color. The chlorophyll is a major plant pigment that absorbs sunlight needed for the photosynthesis. Here's the questions to answer. The first one is an experiment. This experiment you can try in your home. Try to do. Is there chlorophyll in red amaranthus? Prove it with an experiment. The experiment that contains mainly 4 different stages. They are materials required, procedure, observation and result. Okay. Materials required means what all the things needed for doing this. That is materials required. Here we need only the amaranthus and the paper. Amaranthus means cheera. Then coming to the procedure. Procedure means method of doing. Rub the leaf of red amaranthus on a paper and observe the color change. That's all. What you can observe? You can observe the presence of green and red color. So what you can arrive? The result is the red amaranthus that contains chlorophyll and anthocyanin. This experiment you have to study. You can try this in your home. The next question. Are pigments present only in leaves? No. The pigments present in stem, flowers, fruits, etc. What are the functions of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll that absorbs sunlight needed for the photosynthesis. The next question for you. Name some plant pigments and their color. The answer: chlorophyll, green in color; xanthophyll, yellow; carotenoids, orange; and anthocyanin, that is red in color. So in this session we studied about the different plant pigments. Hope you understood about the topic. In the next class, we are continuing the same chapter, Know the Plant World Closely, but different topic about the respiratory organs in plants. Thank you. Have a nice day.